In this video, I'm going to show you how to clear your YouTube search history on your TV so you can keep your viewing experience private and decluttered. Let's get started. While the process may vary slightly depending on your device, clearing your search history is simple and ensures your past searches won't appear in suggestions. To begin, open the YouTube app on your smart TV streaming device like Roku, Fire Stick, or Chromecast, or gaming console. Navigate to the search bar where you'll see a list of recent search queries. On most devices, you can highlight a specific search term and look for an option like Remove or Clear, often represented by an X button. This will delete individual entries from your search history. If you want to clear your entire search history, you'll need to use a computer or mobile device since the YouTube app on TVs doesn't always provide a full clear option. Open a browser or the YouTube app on your phone, sign in with the same Google account linked to your TV, and go to the Settings menu. Click on your profile picture, select History, and then choose Manage All Activity. From there, click Delete Activity By and select a time frame, e.g. all time, to clear your entire search history. This change will sync across all devices, including your TV. Alternatively, you can pause your YouTube history entirely to prevent new searches from being saved. In the same History section, toggle on the Pause Watch and Search History option. This ensures no new activity is recorded until you turn it back on. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel for more tips on managing your streaming experience. Thanks for watching, and I hope clearing your YouTube search history on your TV was quick and easy for you. Don't forget to share this video with others who might find it helpful.